People are not healthy often because we eat wrong. In a hurry, subproducts, nothing natural, we consume meals like it's just a refuel car on a go. But the meal is a ritual, and I share 3 points of how to stay in resonance with nature: the ingredients, the accompaniment, the connectivity to nature. Each meal should be around the ingredients. The rule is the easier the better. Unless you're traveling or it is a matter of life and death, you should try to settle on simple natural food ingredients with simple cooking methods. Another aspect is to avoid subproducts at any cost, literally. And we often surprised that original product may cost the same or less than whatever additive sold on the market. Do not trust labels only, as many new regulations are preventing public from knowing the truth. Try farmers market, local growers. The whole idea of the first principle is to go close to the source of produce poultry, meats, and dairy products. In many countries, outdoor dining has been commercially transformed from the ancient tradition of community gathering into clear-cut consumerism and a cheap substitution of meals with mere food consumption. How cooking may be one of the answers, especially when connected with point number two: the company of those with whom we share the meal. In many instances, the way we eat is perverted and doesn't truly serve the purpose. We spend time on the phone, watching news, TV shows, or eating on the go, sometimes without even knowing what exactly do we consume. But the secret at times is not in any form of dieting, but in careful consideration that food is a ritual. For thousands of years, our ancestors valued who they shared the meal with, how they focused on conversations around the table, what music was playing on the background. Traveling extensively around the world, I made some observations that I am trying to convert into possible suggestions. Do not share the meal with people you dislike. That will eliminate the negative vibes that may cause indigestion. No company at times is better than any company. And don't fill the silence with noisy vocals or visual distractions. You would be amazed how little food can be fulfilled if you truly focus on it. Not only people, but the surroundings can help. Creating uncluttered space, placing some flowers or candles on a table should not be preserved only for romantic settings. Treat yourself as focus of your own attention. Even in the middle of chaotic life, any meal is a ritual. Treat it accordingly. Our senses are all connected, and music can either resonate with your food or completely destroy your intake process. If you served an Italian dinner while loud rap music is blasting, it's unlikely you will enjoy your meal. You will hurry through swallowing the delicious dish. I found that accompanying your dinner with selective and appropriate music may help you enjoy it. When having pasta, even at home, play some simple Italian music. For French dish, fancy yourself with some French romantic music, or tune into some old French cafe accords. Having a nice steak, a selection of country melodies will certainly help set your mind into spirit of your meal. When eating Vietnamese pho, don't be afraid to play some local Eastern tunes in the background. Experiment, and you will be amazed at the result. And now is the most mysterious part of my observations, and I probably would call on the movie Avatar for visual confirmations of my words. We're all connected to nature, and what is above is below, and what is beneath is connected to above. That principle is clearly presented in a scene where Jack is killing the elk and his native girlfriend is praying over the dying animal. Remember her words? Forgive us for doing it. Your soul is with our common ancestors now, but the body will feed those who need it. No procrastination, no, oh, we don't eat animal stuff, just a simple and direct life lesson. Eat what is alive as it becomes part of you, helping you to grow. Do not overeat, be moderate. Eat enough, but avoid gluttony. Make sure a dish, even a simple one, is a piece of simple aesthetic serving. Art of meal is not that complicated. Nice wine or drink of your choice should complement any dish, and taste will improve too. Praying before meal is far from mandatory, but saying thank you to Mother Nature for providing the source of food is helpful in establishing a connection between those who feed us to continue our journey alive. Hey, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss valuable insights going forward. Well, stay beautiful, stay amazing.